something really extraordinary.
Yes. So,
Put that off to the side.
it is a light blue pencil case.
And we are going to unbox it.
This is my pencil case.
Let's see the inside so we can see all the space it can store. For any of you viewers, y'all can see. And this is from Amazon. You can store all your pens and everything that you need. And it's very spacious.
Yes. Unboxed another amazing gift. We have here a nice pencil case. It is in a hot pink color, as you can see. And this is also from Amazon, if you couldn't tell. It is a pencil case that you should definitely get because it's very soft and cozy, and you can fit a lot of things in here. And it also has this thing. It's a hook, so if you didn't want to put it inside your book bag, wanted it on the outside or whatever you're going to use it for, you can connect it with your keys or whatever. It doesn't always have to be a pencil case, and it's very nice. It's from a brand called Sunny, and it's just overall very cute and pink. And this one, you don't need to bleach it. You shouldn't bleach it, and you shouldn't be doing the dry cleaning, and you're not supposed to iron it. So if it does get dirty, I think you can wash it with cold water. Yeah, so that is what we have here. And then the next item on our list here, we have something also extraordinary. We have the pink stuff. Now, this is basically something that it's a cleaning paste. It's one that you should definitely buy. As you can see, it's very helpful whenever you have tough stains or anything that's dirty. You can use this. And you can also, there's a QR code that you can scan that shows you what you can use it for, but you can basically use it for anything. And this is definitely a 10 out of 10 item. And you can just basically use it for ovens, stove, saucepans, the sink, barbecues, tiles, glass showers, and so on and so forth. And I definitely think you should get this product.